The image presents a distant view of the famous Kinkaku-ji Golden Pavilion, surrounded by lush green hills and a peaceful forest. From this angle, the temple appears as a shining golden treasure hidden among nature. The golden exterior stands out beautifully against the rich green landscape, creating a striking contrast. The cloudy sky adds a calm and slightly dramatic atmosphere, making the scene feel peaceful and timeless. Trees of different shapes and shades fill the foreground, showing the carefully preserved Japanese garden. This wide perspective allows viewers to appreciate how perfectly the temple blends with its natural surroundings. Instead of dominating the landscape, the building becomes part of it, reflecting the Japanese philosophy of living in harmony with nature. The image creates curiosity and invites visitors to explore the temple more closely. Step 2. Close-up view of the Golden Pavilion. The second image brings the viewer much closer to the temple, revealing the beauty of its architecture. Every detail becomes more visible, from the elegant curved roof to the golden walls covered with genuine gold leaf. The temple stands beside a calm pond, where its reflection creates an even more beautiful scene. The wooden lower floor contrasts with the shining upper floors, highlighting the traditional Japanese design. Large windows, delicate railings, and carefully crafted wooden structures demonstrate the exceptional craftsmanship of ancient builders. Behind the temple, forest-covered mountains provide a peaceful backdrop. The surrounding pine trees frame the building naturally without hiding its beauty. The still water reflects both the temple and nearby trees, symbolizing peace, balance, and harmony. This image captures the architectural brilliance of Kinkaku-ji while also emphasizing its spiritual significance as a Zen Buddhist temple. Step 3. Wide scenic view with reflection. The third image offers the most complete and breathtaking view of the Golden Pavilion. Here, the entire landscape is visible, including the temple, the reflective pond, surrounding islands, rocks, pine trees, and distant mountains. The bright blue sky mixed with soft white clouds creates a vibrant and refreshing atmosphere. Sunlight enhances the golden walls, making the temple appear even more magnificent. The reflection of the pavilion in the crystal clear water forms an almost perfect mirror image, doubling its beauty. Small rocky islands and carefully arranged garden elements add depth and balance to the composition. This scene perfectly represents traditional Japanese landscape design, where every tree, stone, and water feature has been thoughtfully placed. The image gives viewers a feeling of tranquility and allows them to appreciate the temple as both a masterpiece of architecture